Hello, adventurers. Hey, how's your eBay been going since I've taught you all how to sell on eBay? Have you been making money? I hope so. Uh, the picture I posted in the beginning is you want to keep your area clean. Why? Because if it's really messy and dirty, you're not going to remember where things are. Like, here's a pickup page that I had for the mail people to come pick it up. I couldn't find this piece of paper when I needed it because the place was a pigsty. So you want to make sure this is lesson 9 or 10. This is actually lesson 10. I'm sorry. Lesson 10 on how to keep your area clean while selling on eBay. Alright, so you packed up everything. You have it shipped out. I have one ready here. It's on eBay right now. It is a train. You saw it obviously already. It is not an Xbox. This one is not packed up completely. Still needs a packing slip for whoever buys it today or tomorrow. Actually, on Easter, it will sell. What to do next? Well, you don't just stop there. You go out. Now, I cannot go out because, hang on. I cannot go out because there's garage sales that aren't happening because it's raining. I hate Southern California now. It's rain every weekend. That's not good. I mean, it's good for the grass, sure, if you don't mind. Like one of my adventurers said when I had a lightning storm going, he says, "What's next? You're gonna watch grass grow?" Yes, we're gonna watch grass grow. You see it out there? It's growing. And that's from the rain. Okay, but that's not why we're here. We are here because we're here to sell and make money. So we can go out and buy more stuff and sell and make more money. You want to just keep it going. Constant flow. Let's say these were Ray-Ban and you wanted to make tons of money. You would have put these up under Ray-Ban sunglasses. These obviously are not. These are no-name brand that I bought probably a 99-cent store probably 100 years ago. Yeah, they don't have a name on them. Actually, they have a little design. I don't know what it is. I still have this train set to sell. Yes, this is a pigsty area. And that's because I can't get to it because the train set's in the way. But this train set needs to sell. If you know anybody who is looking to start their own train set and run it, now this part, this is not included. This is my grandpa's, and he would be very bad if I sold it. I cannot sell the train actual cars, passenger cars, because my wife bought me those, and she will be actually really mad if I sold them. So, what am I going to sell next? Well, this box contains a caboose. No, it contains a coal car from a Garden Scale or G Scale Bachmann train. It says Holiday Express, but you know, it's not a Holiday Express as in what do you call it? Christmas time. It could be a holiday. You're going on a Holiday Express somewhere. It doesn't. It's green. It's not green and red. It's green and yellow, I think. So that, of course, is on eBay for me. You have eBay fees that probably came due, and if you didn't pay them already, pay them. Because the first of the month is coming up, and if you keep on adding them up, you're going to have more fees than what you made, and you don't want that. So you make sure you pay your fees. What is next to sell? Let me see what I've got. As I once said, this is a vicious cycle. Once you start it, you got to keep it going. Just like a train. Keep it going. You see in there? You can hardly see in there. There are parts. Okay? Look at that. There's the steam parts. I'm going to sell those separately. Those are Bachmann steam locomotive parts. This is all one train set in here, one engine, I should say. There's the front piece of the train. That's ready to be sold. There's 2 options right there. Here's a third option. Look at it. You have the steam front end of the train. You have the boiler box, which comes with the wiring, so you can turn it on and off, or you can have the steam right here. Right here is the steam button. Gives you that sound. You have your wheel bars there that run the front wheels. So when the steam is going, it pushes. It's just like a piston bar. Yes, that's what they would call them, I believe. So there's a third option. You need all those parts, and there's brass pieces in there too. Those are not plastic; they are brass. What else we got? This is not a toy. I don't know why it's in there. It's trash. Throw it away. We don't need it. Okay. You need this. This piece here, where is it? This piece here is a weight. It's heavy. It's also your steam. It causes your smoke unit. That's the smoker right there. So there's a smoking unit for the Bachmann. Now I have four auctions. I believe I have 4, or do I have 5 auctions? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 auctions right there to sell. And we're not done. There's more. Can't get to them. These are really important to sell. This is a circus train wheel. That's what these wheels came off of. It's why they had a star. But you know what? If you have a Disneyland train, a 440, or if you're Walt Disney World, they have that star in the center of the drive wheel. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. That's one side of the train. There's 1. There's 2. Notice they sound like metal? Yes. They might be plated steel, I'm not sure. But they are what you run on the track. So there's it's a 6. It's a 460 train. What does that mean, you ask? Well, I don't know. That means you have 4 wheels in the front, 6 in the middle, none behind it. I have cat hair in here. Why? I don't know. It shouldn't even be in this box. The box was sealed. If I can get this out. There we go. There is the top. Many people are missing this to their trains. They're like, where is the part that goes in the train? I don't have the right steam. Well, now you do. See, here it is. Here's the boiler box. It comes with a dome. It's missing a dome. I might have it in the box. I'm not sure yet. Yes, I do. So you have a sand dome with the whistle on it. And then you have a front sand dome, because they have to have sand on them, so it runs down the track smoothly. Say that you get into a wet spot or snow, the train's not going to go uphill very good without that. This piece goes right here. Now you have a nice steam locomotive part. You can paint this too. It doesn't have to be black. This is brass too. Bell is around here somewhere. Okay, so here's the front wheels. They do have the stars on them. I am missing a wheel. I don't know where it's at. I have to find that. It may have broken off. Oh, there it is. So there, it does have all 4 wheels. So it is a 4/4 wheel. 440. Okay, so we're at 5, 6, 7 options. Brass and metal pieces. The bell is in there. See the bell inside there? 8 auctions. I'm set for a whole week. This is your engine area. This is where you put your motor, and it has the little spinning wheel that spins those drive wheels. That motor is shot, I believe, or the wire. No, the motor works. It's something inside needs to be replaced. Anyways, that there is another auction. And why do you say that? I will show you. Alright, so I now took this part and put it on the bottom so you can see it. Now it's complete. But for people that just need parts, there you go. You have both parts there. And then that black piece there, that's what's broken. It doesn't screw in where it needs to screw in, which is kind of pissing me off, because this is where you get all your traction and everything running on your train. So this goes, it goes the sand dome. It goes in there like this. Let me find my sand dome with the whistle. See, it's starting to become a train now. Of course, the innards are not in there. They're down here to be sold. And you get that together. Now, down at the bottom is the weight. It's about 5 pounds. I'm not going to put that on, but this piece is nice. This is the engineer's box, and that just slides down like so. Now you have a train, a Bachmann train. And this would be number 12. This was a steam locomotive that ran, I think, the Durango area. I could be wrong. It might be Nevada. I'm not sure which train this is, but whatever it is, you can paint it whatever you like. And see the wire hanging down? You have a headlight. So you have a headlight that works. And then, of course, all that connects to that. Plus what's in there. You still need that steam. I'll see if I can get that for you. Yeah. Oh, yeah, upside down. There you go. There we go. Now it's not sitting on there correctly, but at least you get the idea. And that becomes train. So there, I have 15 auctions out of that. One train to sell. Or I could sell it all as one piece and not get very much because it doesn't run. But I think selling it separately, people need the parts. The bell, of course, is in there and stuff like that. And you might make $100, you might make $50. These trains sell, just the engine alone sells for about $200 running, I think. They might be even more. But, of course, they could have that little, the other part down the box that's already ready to go, the coal car, tender. Anyways, that's what your next auction is. Well, not yours, but it's my auctions. And then you're going to list that, well, I would list that under garden scale trains or G scale trains, under trains and hobbies like that. So now I've given you a complete course on what to do on selling on eBay. I was going to say selling trains, but selling on eBay. You want to find your niche. You need to find out what sells the best. Trains sell the best for me. Actually, electronics sell the best for me. But finding electronics cheap is hard because everyone knows that they're worth money. Some people, I got lucky, don't know what they're doing. Give me $5. All right, $5. You know how much I made on that sale? $700. Big difference from $5. I hope that I've helped you on this journey through how to sell on eBay or how to sell on the internet, which I've turned into eBay basically, to make money. And then, of course, I have this to sell. Once I check it, make sure it has all 500 pieces in it, because the ones that are, say they're brand new, have a plastic wrap around them. That one does not. So I can't sell it as new. You can sell it used as is, and you want to do the same with this. You sell the, well, like if I'm selling this, I'm selling it used as is. Can't guarantee it's going to run. I know it's not going to run because the motor is not good. Well, it's not the motor. It's this piece here is busted off. They can get this piece replaced. They're good to go. All right. Well, I hope you have a great Easter. I'm glad that you were able to come and watch me on how to sell on eBay. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not an adventurer already. I will be selling other things and showing you how to clean a room, how to work on a project. I'm not sure what. I'd love to buy one of those little motors. I'm sure you've seen them. They're actually run on gasoline, but those things are like thousands of dollars to buy. But I would love to make a video on how to build it. Now, my next door neighbor's he has Alzheimer's, and his wife, she doesn't know what to do with the rest of his models. His kids don't want them. I may just take those and build those, or sell them on eBay. She has like 50 models that he started and didn't finish. So, there you go. Like I said, happy Easter. I'm not going to drag this out anymore. Thank you for becoming an adventurer, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and watch the past videos on how to sell on eBay. Thank you, and have a great weekend. Hippity hoppity, Easter's on its way.